You finally got your hands on a GPS tracking app that will help you better monitor your employees' routes, location, and working hours. But when you told your employees about the new initiative to implement GPS tracking across your workforce, you got tons of pushback. If you're experiencing this right now or are anticipating it, then you've come to the right place, because in today's video, I'll be showing you 8 strategies you can implement to get your entire team on board with using GPS tracking. For those new to Timeero, we're GPS tracking and mileage tracking software. We help thousands of businesses gain real-time insights into their team's time, location, schedules, and routes. Need a clear picture of your team's day-to-day? Head on over to timeero.com to learn more. Okay, now let's get back to what you came here for. When you introduce GPS tracking, there are 9 reasons your employee might push back, and you need to know them. Number 1, privacy. No one wants to feel like their every move is being tracked, especially off the clock. If they think you're spying on them during personal time, that's where you'll lose them. Number 2, trust. The minute your team feels like you don't trust them to do their job without tracking, they're gonna question why they should trust you. Lack of trust kills morale, period.
I don't trust people. I got trust issues.
Number 3, micromanagement. If they think you're gonna use GPS to breathe down their neck every minute, they'll resist. No one wants their boss watching their every step.
Why are you the way that you are?
Number 4, job security. Employees may worry that GPS data could be used against them, whether that's for discipline, layoffs, or even worse, sold to a third party. If they feel like their data's not safe, you can bet pushback is coming. Number 5, stress. Being constantly monitored raises anxiety, and more stress leads to burnout. You don't want a team that always feels like they're under the microscope. Number 6, tech problems. Some GPS tracking apps can drain phone batteries or cause technical headaches. If your system causes them more issues than it solves, they're not going to be happy. Number 7, work-life boundaries. Employees need to know their personal time is respected. They don't want to feel like they're on the clock 24/7, and GPS tracking can blur those lines. Number 8, unfairness. If your employees think GPS tracking is only applied to certain roles or people, it'll feel like they're being singled out. Fairness is key. Number 9, purpose. Finally, if they don't understand why you're doing this, they'll see it as pointless or a burden. Clear communication is everything. All right, now that you know what causes pushback, let's focus on the solution. Here are 8 strategies to get your team on board with GPS tracking. Step 1, be transparent and build trust. Start by explaining why you're implementing GPS tracking. Be upfront about its benefits, like improved safety and efficiency. The more open you are, the more trust you'll build with your team. Step 2, address concerns immediately. Don't let questions linger. If employees are worried, tackle their concerns fast. For example, you could run a demo by having one employee install the app, drive around, and clock out. This will show everyone in real time that once they're off the clock, the tracking stops. Step 3, involve your team in the decision-making. Invite them into the process. Ask for their input, listen to what they have to say, and make adjustments where you can. When they feel like their voice matters, they're less likely to push back. Step 4, clearly communicate the benefits to them. Don't just talk about how GPS tracking helps the company. Show them it helps them. Explain how it enhances safety, boosts efficiency, and saves time by automating timesheets. Step 5, set clear policies and boundaries. Lay out a clear policy. Let everyone know exactly when GPS will be used and why. Make sure you're following any legal guidelines and use Timeero's free GPS policy template, which you can download in the description below. Step 6, provide training and ongoing support. Don't assume they know how to use the system. Give them proper training. Explain how it works and show them how it benefits their day-to-day. Keep support available so any issues are solved quickly. Step 7, listen to their feedback. Keep communication lines open. Some employees will speak up while others might resist quietly. So you must create spaces for feedback like town halls or one-on-one check-ins, and make sure no one is penalized for voicing concerns. Step 8, review and adapt. Once you've gathered feedback, act on it. Make updates to improve their experience. This shows your team that you're committed to making GPS tracking work for them, not just for the company. If you're still looking for a GPS tracking solution that not only benefits your company, but is also a tool your employees will love, then you should definitely consider Timeero. Timeero is built with your team in mind. It's optimized to minimize battery drain and uses minimal processing power so employees won't have to worry about their phones dying. Plus, with offline mode, you can track employees even in off-the-grid locations. All data syncs once there's an internet connection, saving mobile data and keeping everything efficient. So whether it's ease of use or keeping your team's trust, Timeero helps eliminate pushback while giving your company the tools it needs to thrive. So there you have it. 8 solid steps to get your team on board with GPS tracking. Remember, it's all about transparency, communication, and making sure your employees see the benefits for them. Implement these and you'll turn pushback into buy-in. If you want to see how Timeero can transform the way you track your team's time, location, and mileage, visit Timeero.com today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on making your business more effective. See you next time!